Hi, I'm Dr. Anup Das, working as glaucoma consultant in Lotus Eye Hospital, Cochin. Today I'll be talking about pulse in glaucoma. Glaucoma may be defined as an optic neuropathy where the peripheral vision, that means the side vision, used to be decreased, and ultimately it leads to complete blindness. In world, the prevalence of glaucoma is more than 2% after 40 years of age, and many peoples are undetected. So the screening is most important for early diagnosis and treatment. People often used to ask when glaucoma results in disability. So it is the question where the dilemma occurs. Usually the patient doesn't complain of any disability factors like any decreased vision or like pain or something like that, except some glaucomas. In some cases, people may complain of pain, redness, blurring of vision, but in other cases, most of the time, they doesn't complain of anything and the glaucoma remains undetected. So self-reporting system by the patients usually leads to better diagnosis and early detection of glaucoma. Now my question is, what is self-reporting system? Self-reporting system may be like reading. During reading, if a person is feeling blurring of vision, especially the near vision, or they observe frequent changes of glasses after 40 years of age, then the patient must go to a glaucoma specialist for early evaluation. Second is mobility factor. If a patient is finding difficulty in walking or during driving he is finding difficulty in maintaining his balance, or if there is effect of lightning like glare or some things are there, or inability to face recognitions or depression sort of things, those all factors and symptoms may lead to early detection of glaucoma.